Hello, health enthusiasts! Today, we're going to delve into the world of natural remedies to explore the myriad benefits of a little-known powerhouse, black seed oil. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated on all things health and wellness. Black seed oil, also known as Nigella sativa, is a treasure trove of health benefits. Extracted from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, native to Southwest Asia, this oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems across the globe. The plant is tiny in size but mighty in benefits, offering a wide range of health-promoting properties. The magic of black seed oil lies in its unique chemical composition. It's packed with over 100 different nutrients, including essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. The star of the show is Thymoquinone, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. This compound is the primary active ingredient in the oil and is largely responsible for its health benefits. One of the most well-known benefits of black seed oil is its ability to boost the immune system. It helps your body fight off viruses and bacteria, keeping you healthy and strong. It's also been found to help with allergies, reducing symptoms like sneezing, itching, and congestion. This is due to the oil's anti-inflammatory properties, which help to reduce inflammation in the body, a common cause of allergy symptoms. Black seed oil is also a champion for heart health. It can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. This makes it a fantastic natural remedy for anyone looking to improve their cardiovascular health. The oil's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help to protect the heart and blood vessels from damage, reducing the risk of heart disease. For those of you dealing with digestive issues, black seed oil might just be your new best friend. It aids in digestion, reduces bloating, and can even help with more serious conditions like ulcers and gastroenteritis. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help to soothe the digestive tract, reducing inflammation and discomfort. Moving on, let's not forget about the benefits of black seed oil for the skin and hair. This natural remedy is rich in fatty acids that nourish and moisturize, helping to reduce dryness and irritation. It's also been used to treat various skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. The oil's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help to reduce inflammation and fight off infection, promoting healthier skin. But the benefits of black seed oil extend beyond these well-known areas. It has also been studied for its potential role in weight loss. It may help regulate blood sugar levels, curb your appetite, and speed up metabolism. These properties, combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, could make black seed oil a valuable addition to your weight loss journey. Black seed oil has also shown promise in improving brain health. It's rich in antioxidants that help protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. Some research even suggests it may improve memory and cognition, and potentially slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease. This is particularly exciting as it opens up new possibilities for natural support in maintaining brain health. For those struggling with respiratory issues, black seed oil might offer some relief. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. This could be particularly beneficial for people with conditions like asthma or bronchitis. Another fascinating benefit of black seed oil is its potential to improve liver health. The liver is one of the most vital organs in the body, responsible for detoxifying the blood, metabolizing drugs, and processing nutrients. Black seed oil's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help protect the liver from damage and improve its function. Black seed oil is also believed to have anti-cancer properties. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that the thymoquinone in black seed oil could help induce cell death in cancer cells. This is a promising area of research and could potentially lead to new treatments in the future. For men, black seed oil may help improve fertility. Some research suggests that it could improve sperm count and motility, making it a potential natural remedy for male infertility. It's always important to consult with a healthcare provider when considering supplements for fertility, but black seed oil could be a beneficial addition to a holistic approach. Lastly, black seed oil may also have benefits for mood and mental health. It's been used traditionally to alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression, and some research supports these uses. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties could help reduce inflammation in the brain, which is believed to play a role in mental health disorders. In conclusion, black seed oil is a versatile and potent natural remedy with a wide range of health benefits. From boosting the immune system to improving heart health, aiding digestion, promoting skin and hair health, aiding weight loss, improving brain health, soothing respiratory issues, potentially fighting cancer, improving liver health, enhancing male fertility, and supporting mental health, the benefits of this oil are truly impressive. Black seed oil can be consumed orally or applied topically, depending on what you're using it for. For general health benefits, a teaspoon a day is usually recommended. But always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current medications. When choosing a black seed oil product, it's important to look for high-quality options. Opt for organic, cold-pressed oils whenever possible. These oils are extracted without the use of heat or chemicals, preserving the beneficial compounds in the oil. Black seed oil is generally safe for most people, but like any supplement, it can have side effects. Some people may experience stomach upset, allergic reactions, or skin rashes. If you experience any adverse effects, stop using the oil and consult with a healthcare provider. While black seed oil has many potential benefits, it's not a cure-all. It's best used as part of a balanced lifestyle that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management. Remember, there's no magic bullet for health. It's about making consistent, healthy choices over time. So, there you have it, folks. The incredible benefits of black seed oil, a natural remedy that's been hiding in plain sight. It's time to give this ancient secret the recognition it deserves. Remember, your health is your wealth, and sometimes, the answers we seek are found in the simplest of nature's gifts. Let's take a moment to delve a bit deeper into some of the specific studies that have been conducted on black seed oil. It's important to understand that while many of these studies are promising, more research is needed, particularly large-scale human trials, to fully understand the extent of black seed oil's health benefits. In one study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, black seed oil was found to have anti-asthmatic effects on asthmatic airways. This suggests that it could be a beneficial supplement for those suffering from asthma. In another study published in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology, black seed oil was shown to have a blood pressure-lowering effect in rats. This could have implications for those suffering from hypertension, a major risk factor for heart disease. Research published in the Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Disorders found that black seed oil could be effective in improving blood sugar levels and reducing insulin resistance in diabetic patients. This is a promising area of research, as managing blood sugar levels is crucial for those with diabetes. A study in the Journal of Oncology found that thymoquinone, the active compound in black seed oil, could induce apoptosis in breast cancer cells. While this is promising, it's important to note that this was a laboratory study, and more research is needed to understand if these effects can be replicated in humans. In terms of mental health, a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that black seed oil could have antidepressant effects on mice. Again, more research is needed to understand if these effects can be replicated in humans. As you can see, the potential health benefits of black seed oil are vast and varied. However, it's important to approach these findings with a critical eye and understand that more research is needed. While black seed oil is a powerful natural remedy, it's not a standalone solution for health. It's most effective when used as part of a holistic approach to health that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management. When it comes to diet, black seed oil can be a great addition to a variety of dishes. It has a slightly bitter, spicy flavor that can add a unique twist to your meals. Try adding a drizzle to your salads, soups, or smoothies. Just remember, heat can degrade some of the beneficial compounds in the oil, so it's best used in cold dishes or added to hot dishes after cooking. Regular exercise is another crucial component of a healthy lifestyle. It can help to manage weight, improve heart health, boost mood, and more. Black seed oil can support your exercise routine by providing essential nutrients and reducing inflammation. Adequate sleep is often overlooked as a component of health, but it's absolutely crucial. During sleep, your body repairs and regenerates itself, making it a key time for healing and recovery. Black seed oil can support sleep by reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. Stress management is another key aspect of health. Chronic stress can lead to a variety of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and mental health disorders. Black seed oil can support stress management with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In conclusion, black seed oil is a powerful natural remedy with a wide range of potential health benefits. It's most effective when used as part of a balanced lifestyle that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management. The incredible benefits of black seed oil, a natural remedy that's been hiding in plain sight. It's time to give this ancient secret the recognition it deserves. Remember, your health is your wealth, and sometimes, the answers we seek are found in the simplest of nature's gifts. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring the wonders of natural remedies. Before we wrap up, let's discuss some important considerations when using black seed oil. While it's generally safe for most people, there are some potential side effects and precautions to be aware of. Firstly, some people may experience stomach upset, vomiting, or constipation when consuming black seed oil, especially when taken in large amounts. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's best to reduce your dosage or discontinue use. Secondly, black seed oil may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, beta blockers, and some cancer treatments. If you're currently taking any medication, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before starting black seed oil. Thirdly, while black seed oil has been used traditionally during pregnancy and breastfeeding, there's limited scientific research on its safety during these periods. Therefore, it's best to consult with a healthcare provider if you're pregnant, planning to become pregnant, or breastfeeding. Lastly, always choose high-quality black seed oil from reputable sources. Look for organic, cold-pressed oils that are free from additives and preservatives. This will ensure you're getting the most benefits from your oil. In conclusion, black seed oil is a potent natural remedy with a wide range of potential health benefits. However, like any supplement, it should be used responsibly and under the guidance of a healthcare provider. So, there you have it, folks. The incredible benefits of black seed oil, a natural remedy that's been hiding in plain sight. It's time to give this ancient secret the recognition it deserves. Remember, your health is your wealth, and sometimes, the answers we seek are found in the simplest of nature's gifts. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring the wonders of natural remedies. Please note that while black seed oil has been studied for its potential health benefits, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. This video is intended to be informative and engaging, but it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. We hope you've found this deep dive into the world of black seed oil informative and enlightening. This ancient remedy truly is a testament to the healing power of nature, offering a wealth of health benefits that we're only just beginning to fully understand. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us to continue creating content like this, and we truly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to stay updated on all things health and wellness. We've got plenty more fascinating topics to explore, and we can't wait to share them with you. And finally, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried black seed oil? What was your experience? Do you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Leave a comment below and let us know. Remember, your health is your wealth, and sometimes, the answers we seek are found in the simplest of nature's gifts. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring the wonders of natural remedies. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of black seed oil. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay healthy.